Another day, another rich day. Today I'm excited to show you the Chelsea, which is an entire home that features 4,000 square feet, 10 beds that sleeps up to 16 people, a games room that includes a pool table, ping pong table, poker table, pool, a hot tub, barbecue area. Let's go take a look inside. Shout out to PMI Austin Metro for allowing me to tour this property and Costa Kingdom. This is the view from the outside. As you walk onto this nice fluffy grass, you have an outside table where you can have your morning coffee or have your sundowner drinks, a cup of tea maybe. Let's go see what the inside looks like. Here we go. As you come in, you are greeted with a spiral staircase that takes you straight to the games room. On the right-hand side, we have a dining table where you can have your meals, or you can just kick back, relax, play some cards, do whatever you like. I really like the artwork on the wall, the chandelier. And if you're hosting a private event here, you can have your bartender stand over here and serve you whatever you like. There's a nice table for someone to check in. And here we go. Shout out to PMI once again. This is a guidebook for the area. And let's tour this property. This is your living area where you can kick back, relax, watch some TV. There are book options over here. And in the winter time, you can sit by the fireplace and this room will be nice and toasty. Don't look outside yet. I'm saving that for last because it's my favorite area. We've got a kitchen area over here with an island with 3 stools, a gas stove, microwave, everything that you need at home, 2 coffee machines. You've got the Keurig and a pot with some coffee options over here. And there are more things. There's teas and coffees extra in there. And take a look at this wood finish. I really like the wood finish over here. It's this nice dark wood area. Over here we have a fridge with plenty of storage for your food and drink. A dishwasher, of course. You got all your cups and utensils and everything in here. A sink and a great place for the chefs out there to prepare a meal. There's a coffee table over here, but I will show you that area in a second. Let's keep going. And while we're downstairs, I just wanted to show you the master on the ground floor. Got a bathroom over here, which I'll show you in a second, but take a look at this master bedroom. Got a king-size bed. I love the decorations in this room. The blue and yellow really makes this room pop. A couch for you ladies to put your heels on, a TV, and there's an extra bed over here, maybe for a baby or maybe for that one extra person. A desk for you entrepreneurs out there to catch up on your emails, a walk-in closet, and look at the view of the pool. I'll give you a sneak peek. We'll go tour that in a second. Now this bathroom down here is quite magnificent as well. Ladies, you're gonna love this. We've got a nice big bathroom area, a big mirror for you ladies to do your makeup. Make sure you look really good. Got some cloths there to wipe off your makeup at night. A room for you to meditate in, and a hot tub style bath. Look at that. And a really nice shower. Just want to take you into the shower. Oops. Look at the size of it. Got a stool here so you can shave your legs. Nice spot for you ladies to shave your legs. And look at the shower. Got 6 shower heads, so if you're filthy, once you get out of here, you'll be nice and clean. Look at that. All those shower heads. Let's keep going. This is the garage area. Got extra light bulbs and all those kind of things. And your ping pong table. This is your ping pong table where you can play some ping pong. An extra fridge. And we've even got cornhole if you want to take that out and cornhole. All right, let's keep going. Let's make our way up the spiral staircase. All right, as you come in, you've got a mirror so you can make sure that you look excellent. Ladies, you're gonna love that. And the game room. This pool table is ready to go. We've got beautiful decorations over there on that bookshelf. And the poker table. Perfect place for you to have a poker night. Maybe a men's retreat or however you like to do it. Lots of place for you to kick back and relax, chill with the boys and girls, and look at the view. Here's another sneak peek of what we're about to see in a minute. And let's go this side. Right, we got a laundry room over here. And right next to it, we have another room with 2 queen beds. Very cozy. This place is decorated beautifully. Well done, PMI. You got a nice view. You got that window light coming in and a bathroom. Nice mirror for you to take a look at yourself. And this goes all the way into the next bathroom. We've got a throne. Here's the throne, a shower, and this is a shared bathroom for this room over here. But we got 2 sinks, so one on this side, one on that side. Let's take a look at this room. Got a king-size bed in this room, as well as a twin bed, and a desk for you to catch up on your emails, do some work, read a book, whatever you like, and lots of storage space. All right, this is a really nice thing for the CEOs out there, or so if you want to do some edits. Got a double screen, plug your laptop in or whatever, and you are good to go. Really cool feature, I like that. Another look in the games room, and let's make our way over to this side. Let's see what's in here. All right, we've got another shared bathroom. Here's another bedroom over here. We've got a twin bed and a queen bed in this room. I love how all the rooms are decorated beautifully. I love how all the rooms in here are unique. It's got its own color scheme. We've got a TV, a fan, and a view of the trees. So it feels like you're in nature. Got another shared bathroom over here. You can look at yourself in the mirror, the throne, and the bathroom, which leads us, well, here's a bath shower. And another sink, which leads us into the next bedroom. Got 2 queen beds over here. Lots of storage space for you to hang up your clothes. And again, I love the view. All the rooms have windows and a view of the trees, which is quite pleasant. Now for the best part. Feels like home already. All right, now we go outside. All right, my favorite part. This is where I would be spending my time, in the pool, especially on these hot Texan days. All right, this is your outside area. Got a pool, hot tub, lounges over there for you to kick back and relax and catch up on your tan. But let's keep going. Make our way down these stairs. Over here we have a barbecue area for you and another view of the pool. I just love how it feels like you're walking into nature with these beautiful flowers. Look at those things. And then we have a fire pit for you to kick back and relax. Smoke a cigar if you like, have a drink while you catch up with your friends by the fire pit during those cold winter days. Look at that view. Look at it. It's a beautiful house, isn't it? All right, let's make our way over here. In the winter, you can sit in the hot tub, or in the summer, you've got the pool option, which is fantastic. Some lounges here where you and your loved one can catch up, read a book, and look at this property. Isn't that gorgeous? This can be yours on Airbnb. The link will be in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to book this with your friends and family, have a private retreat with the boys or a bachelor party, or just come with your family, this place is available. You can click on the link below. Thank you to PMI for allowing me to tour this property, and thank you for watching. I hope you found this useful. Please share this with a friend. Subscribe, like, comment, share, all those good things. I'll see you at the next Rich Day. See you later.